Oh, where are you going? Where are you going, baby?
Hinay magod kayo.
Ala, naghilom na siya, oh.
Hala, ano kayo?
Naghilom na ba po siya?
Nakatik-tik. Tiko siya may taas.
Dali ra kayo. Wala na po siya nagkano. Taga ni? Nagiro. You see how many? How much?
How much is it?
You know Gandor? She is a blogger too. Yeah.
How much
Vlogger.
is it total?
90.
90. Here we go.
Hello vlogger, welcome to my life. Just don't fun because we will buy their yeah.
Taxing ko.
Oh, come here. Let's go here. Palito siya ani, pila ni? 5, 5. Okay. Try siya. No, I won't. Isa siya lang, kaya mo try siya. Amo kaon. She will also want that na patay tani. 2. Duha kay mo kuan daw si Supay. You buy this one ganda pa.
What?
Unsa kay ni? Waiter. Ay nay banana Q. Oh, banana Q ganda. Pila? Tagjis. You want to eat the banana Q?
Yeah, okay.
5 lang. Ayan. How is the pan? It's good?
Yes, very good.
Okay.
Ano may kasi ah?
It smells good.
Yeah, it's banana Q. How about the unsa nang isa banana? Ay turon. You try also the turon. Ang turon po pila na duha? Kana na lang duha para makatry siya.
Pinahubagan ko sa lukog.
Tama ka na?
Oh, dili. Mali ako ito kasi. Kasi baon ng bata.
Ora na. Oh, pila tanan? 80 gandor. Yeah. Yeah, Gandorf will try this banana Q
Papa na?
turon.
Mira boy, dinandog na lang.
Dali. Kapag yung kahit tayo.
You want to try this there? You can sit there. Yeah, you sit there first. Yeah, you sit there kay init pa kayo. Hi tan. Lang bata pay, gibiyaan sa mama.
Dili. Ay, dadad bisyo.
Go.
Likot. Dili.
Pwede ra mo ringko dire? Oh, dali.
You don't have to get up to it.
Oh, sige, English na. Oh, you try the that is our famous banana Q. Good or not?
Yeah, it's very sweet.
Yeah, sweet because it has lots of sugar. Let me try the turon. You try the turon. It's very this one turon.
What's that?
It's banana inside.
Really? It looks like lumpia.
Yeah, the wrapper is lumpia. You try there is. Isa dira. Di ka po na pag in English. You try, it's very good. Wait lang. Ikaw pa. Lah,
Kana meron pa kaisa.
Di ka dilitan.
Eto.
Busog na.
Mingawan sa dito.
Lagi. Init pagod no?
Ito sa kaltron.
Yahay. Asa si Kring?
Tabangon yung dapat. Tabangon yung dapat.
Basta. Yan sak. Walay balot dire. Di man po siya makabalot dire. No? You eat balot or not?
Alam to sa bay.
Hindi siya makabalot. But it's really good.
Everybody doesn't sweat like I do.
Ha?
Why does nobody else sweat like I do?
Ambot lang gandor kaya wala kasabot. Agi paningot ka.
Wala pero siya ipaningot.
Because we nasanay na kami.
Wala.
Wala.
We used to eat.
Okay.
Ay, kinoko tabang Lord. You know that the two girls, they are single. Single.
Oh.
Because he is single.
No, but I'm not ready to mingle yet.
Ayan, nablasted man rin ta.
Lalo may pag-asa.
Wala ti pag-asa ano, makakabot sa itong mga gango, uy. Ay, amo sa sweeting.
They do that a lot in Davao too.
Hmm?
They do that in Davao too.
We do that. What?
The whole like, oh, she's single.
Ah.
Oh, she's single. Yeah.
It's common.
Mm.
Yeah, because we are Filipino. We just, joking.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, you drink.
Hmm?
It's good. You say hi here because I...
Oh, you're recording?
Ano? Yeah, I record.
No, I'm camera shy.
Wala na noon. 6 minutes na noon ka na kong record. 6 minutes.
Are you gonna upload this in your stream?
No. Only in my day.
In your what?
My day.
What's that? Facebook?
Stories.
Okay.
You try the turun, dali. There.
Let me see.
Here. Like this.
What's a lot though?
Duha raman siguro nani no? Ang bayad namin. Kalimot mo pa. That one. Ni mama mangguda yun. Palit mo bagkuan ba banana Q. Gani kay nga pa. Gani. Ano, kapoy ato eh. Kayo yun. Butal di mo ulan, unya. Doy, kani diri ba ulan no? Magabaha. You know, Gandor, when it's rain, it will like, it's flooding. There.
No, over there.
Huh?
What about over there?
It's also like that, oh. It's very muddy.
So, what do you guys do with flooding then?
I know it's not flooding, it's little only. Because we don't have canal.
Okay, that's why.
Mas mo di apas.
Lang nga pa. Kasi mama will try also this. Wala man.
What?
Never mind.